Good afternoon, welcome. This is JAMB year 2010 Government Objective Pass question number 5. And the question here says, a state that is ruled by an elected citizen is dash. A state that is ruled by an elected citizen is dash. It simply means that a state that is governed by elected citizen, that is a city that is elected leader by citizen, is called dash. A, republic. B, a plutocracy. C, an empire. D, a monarchy. Now, in monarchical system of government, there is no elective principle. Principle is absentee, so they don't elect. It is basically inherited system. That they want to talk of empire, and first of all, a monarchy is ruled by king or queen. So take note of that, by king or queen. Then an empire is managed by an emperor. An empire is a very large kingdom. Then plutocracy, a government of noble persons. Then a republican is a democratic government or system, and in every democratic government or system, it is expected that citizens will ought to vote the leader that will come to power. So a state that is ruled or governed by an elected citizen is called republic. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.